Hello and welcome to the $1,000 gaming PC build of the month. Boom, for December 2021. My name is Corey with NewbComputerBuild.com. This build, we're getting into the $1,000 one. If you want to check out a $1,500, $800, or $500 one, check out the other videos that came out or visit the site at NewbComputerBuild.com. These builds are posted every single month. I'm posting this one a little bit early, just a day ahead of Cyber Monday in case people wanted to take advantage of those sales going into the holiday season here. And sales, which probably means not the CPU or the graphics card, the more expensive pieces of hardware, but you will be able to probably find something like better memory, or not better memory, cheaper memory or cheaper storage or cheaper power supplies and cases and stuff like that, in case you have your eye on some of those, just so you know. But otherwise, the other thing to keep in mind is that graphics cards have been limited supply as per usual, and they're a little inflated a little bit more as we came up to these sale holidays such as Black Friday and Cyber Monday, as supplies are obviously a little bit lower, and they've already been lower over the last year and a half or so. All right, jumping into it, the $1,000 build. Again, this is for people that want to game at extreme settings at 1080p or into higher settings at 2K resolutions. If that's you, this is the build for you. Let's jump into it. So the CPU we have is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X CPU for $299.99. Included is the Race Stealth cooler. You can always choose to upgrade to a different or better cooler if you want, or a liquid cooler and stuff like that, which are included in some hardware alternatives that we have here at the site. So if you want to visit that, if you want an upgrade for the future or want to upgrade right away, but otherwise this cooler will do you well, to be honest. The motherboard we have is the ASRock B550 Phantom Gaming 4. This one's switched over since last month, so if you were planning a build based on last month's video, this is an alternative suggestion for a motherboard. It's currently at $89.99, so a pretty good price at the moment. Graphics card we have is a Sapphire Technology AMD Radeon Sapphire AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT graphics card. It is actually at $790.99 right now and is available at the posting of this video. Not a terrible cost, but keeping in mind that the MSRP is $379, but you realistically, as any graphics card at the moment, won't be able to get it for that cost. Memory we have is the Crucial Ballistics 3600 MHz 16GB kit. $84.99 storage is the Crucial P2 500GB NVMe SSD, $44.99. And then the power supply here we have is the EVA GA Supernova 650 G5, 650 watt G5, gold rated power supply, $71.83. And then the case for this one is the Fantex Eclipse P300A, a great case, $69.99. And this build comes in just over, not just over, it's a little bit over $1,000 at $1,366.79. Keeping in mind that graphics cards are a little higher, so if you do want to wait a little bit for that cost to go down, you can save some cash there and get closer to that $1,000 mark. Keeping in mind is if the GPU is closer to MSRP, it costs realistically more like $955. If you were in the market for the $1,500 build and you will really have a hard budget of $1,500, this could be the build for you. You could get the graphics card up a bit here. It's using the same CPU as the $1,500 build, just so you know. But in terms of playing with budgets, if you're really hard on your budget, it's really all about finding more economical graphics cards at the moment. So do keep that in mind, as that's the thing that fluctuates so much as of late, and it's so hard to get builds that are within a certain budget, as cards literally change supply and budget and the amount they cost every single day. But yeah, with that being said, if you want to visit the site newbcomputerbuild.com or subscribe to the channel, these builds are updated every single month and posted to this channel and to the site as well. There's upgrade suggestions on the site, and then as well there's other builds that are posted, the $500, the $800, and the $1,500 builds, so do check those out as they're posted at the exact same time as this one. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment below, and until next month, best of luck building your gaming PC.